Alright guys, it is Thursday and we started working on the 86 Bronco. We not only have the motor in, but the tranny in. Motor is not anchored in yet. We're waiting on custom made motor mounts from a company that does this kind of work all the time. They're basically made specifically for the 2.9 to 351 Windsor conversion. So, but it's in. We now have the we have room now for the radiator, the fan. So it's looking up. We're getting there. It's a slow process, but we'll get it all together. And from what I can tell, we've got plenty of room for the air filter and the hood and all that stuff. All right, guys, keep watching. It'll be fun.